Welcome to the session, dear students. In today's class, I'll be discussing very important concept, that is problems and mathematical logic, 5 markers. So 5 mark problems, sometimes they'll ask you to prove tautology, sometimes they'll ask you to prove contradiction, sometimes they'll ask you to check whether they're tautology, contradiction, or neither, or logical equivalence. 4 different types of problems we are discussing. Before we go to this, first let me say what is tautology. A compound proposition is said to be tautology if it is true for all its truth values. Questions will be in the form: verify whether the following is tautology, contradiction, or neither. Tautology means a compound proposition is said to be tautology if it is always true for all the possible combination of truth values of its components. So, however you combine the components, final answer for this you should get true. So, we will see this. So, for that, here you can see operation negation. Negation means what? If it is true, it will become false. So, for negation, if it is true, make it false. If it is false, make it true. And this is the operation you can see, that is OR. OR means what? If any one statement is true, then result is true. What is the logic of OR? If any one statement is true, then result is true. Then we can see AND. What is the logic of AND? If any one is false, result is false. So OR means if it is true, make it false. If it is false, make it true. OR means any one is true, result is true. And how to read this? AND. What is AND? If any one is false, result is false. These are the 3 basics you should know. And in the last class I taught you AND operation, P and Q. So if I take P, Q, if both are true, result is true. True, false, result is false. False, true, result is false. If both are false, then result is false. This means for AND, if any one statement, say out of P, Q, if any one is false, then result is false. That is a, see here, so first one is false, result is false. Both are false, false. So this is a logic of AND which you know. For R, for P, R, Q, logic is what? If any one is true, result is true. Here out of these two, one is true, true. So one is true, true. So both are false, so result is false. For R operation, if any one is false, result is false. Then these two you should know. AND means if any one is false, result is false. OR means if any one is true, result is true. Negation means true becomes false and false becomes true. If you know that, then we can check this problem. So now we have to construct truth table to check whether it is tautology, contradiction, or neither. So let me construct the truth table. So now for this compound proposition, I need to construct the truth table. First I will write the elements. One element is P, then other element is Q. You can also see there is negation P, and then you can also see here negation Q is there. Then combination negation P or Q, then negation, sorry, P and negation Q. So I have a statement P, then negation P, then negation Q, then negation P R Q, then P and not Q. These are the values we have. Now we'll check whether they are. We'll construct the truth table. All of you know how to construct the truth table. Now what are the possibility of PQ? P may be true and Q may be true, or first one may be true and second one may be false, or first one may be false and second one may be true, or both may be false. These are the possible combinations. Now we'll fill the other columns. We'll try to fill the other columns. So 4 possibilities for every problem. If you have 2 propositions PQ, 4 possibilities are: first one may be true, second one may be true, first one may be true, second one may be false, or first one false, second one true, false, false. These are the possible permutations. Now negation P. Negation P means if P is true, negation P becomes false, or if P is false, negation P becomes true, opposite. So P is true, so negation P is false. Now similarly P is true, so negation P is false. Again P is false, so negation P is true. Again P is false, so negation P is true. Now negation Q. Negation Q means not Q. So check Q. Q is true, so negation Q is false. Q is false, so negation Q is true. Q is true, so negation Q is false. And Q is false, so negation Q is true. Now negation P R Q. So this is negation P R Q. So we have to do negation P R Q. So we have to do OR operation for these two. OR means what? If any one is true, result is true. So out of true false, one is true, so result is true. Out of these two, both are false, so result is false. Here out of these two, both are true, so result is true. So if any one is true, result will become true because we are doing OR. I hope all of you understood this column. And then P and not Q. P and not Q. So this is the column P and this is the column not Q. So for this and this, P and not Q, for this and this we need to do AND operation. AND means what? If any one is false, result is false. So true false, result is false, because one statement out of these two is false, and true true, result is true. False false, result is false. Finally, false true, result is false. If any one statement is false, the result will become false. So I should see these two. So false true false, false false false, both are true, so it is true here. That's it. So now see the final result. So final result is not P or Q, or P and not Q. So we have to construct one more column combining these two. So last column, we can also simplify this. I call this whole thing, I call this as capital A. This whole thing I call it as capital B. And the given statement, negation P or Q or P and not Q. I can call this as, this is A and this is R B. I call this as A, I call this as B. So finally A R B means I should do OR operation for these two. For these two OR operation. What is OR? If any one is true, result is true. Out of these two, one is true, so result is true. Out of these two, one is true, result is true. Out of these two, one is true, so result is true. Out of these two, one is true, result is true. See the final output. So final output means what? This whole thing, that is negation P or Q or P and not Q. If you see the whole thing, the final answer is all the values are true, 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 true. So if the compound proposition gives true for all the combination, then we call this as tautology. So now the given problem, they asked you to check whether it is tautology, contradiction or neither. So I can say it is tautology. So we'll conclude from the truth table, negation, whatever they give, negation P R Q or P and negation Q is tautology. Is what? Tautology. What is meant by tautology? A compound proposition is said to be tautology if it is always true for all the combination of its truth values. For all the combination of the truth values of components, we got true. So therefore it is tautology. We proved the compound proposition is tautology because the final output, all the combinations are giving what? True. If all are true, tautology. If all are false, contradiction. If you get combination, then it is neither. I hope all of you got this. Now we will go to the next problem. Verify whether the given problem is tautology, contradiction or neither. So you can see the components. Again you have component called AND. AND means what? If any one is false, result is false. And true ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರೂ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Negation means, you know what is the logic of negation? If it is true, negation will become false. If the given statement is false, negation will become true. So this is a combination we have to take. We'll go ahead with this. So split the components P, then Q, then you can see not P, not Q and not P are present. Not P is there, not Q is there. Then the component P and not Q. Then not P or Q, then combination of these two. P and not Q and not P or Q. Now we'll combine this. We'll combine this and we'll see what are the possible outputs. So now what are the possibilities? Both may be true, or first one may be true, second one may be false, or first one may be false and second one may be true, or both may be false. These are the possibilities. True, 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 false, false, true, false, false. Then not P means negate this. Negate this means what? If it is true, negation P is false. This is false. This is true. This is true. Negation Q means not Q. So if it is true, it will become false. False becomes true. Again, true becomes false, and false becomes true. Now, further, if you see P and not Q. So here you have P. Here you have P, and here you have not Q. For P and for these two, you should do AND operation. AND means what? If any one is false, result is false. If any one statement is false, result is false. Out of these two, one false is so false. So out of these two, both are true, so result is true. Here both are false, so result is false. Here one is false, so result is false. Then not P or Q. Not P or Q means this is not P and this is Q. For these two, you should do OR operation. Not P or Q. OR operation means what? If any one statement is true, result is true. So out of these two, one is true, so result is true. Out of these two, both are false, so result is false. Out of these two, one is true, so result is true. Out of these two, one is true, so result is true. Here we are doing OR. OR means what? If any one statement out of these two is true, result will become true. If both are false, it is false. You can see here I wrote false because not P or Q. Not P or Q means here we have not P, here we have Q. For these two, both are false, so result is false. Now I have to do, for these two, I should do AND operation. What is meant by AND? If any one statement is false, result is false. So out of these two, one is false. Out of these two, first one is false, so result is false. Out of these two, second one is false, so result is false. Out of these two, first one is false, so result is false. Here again, first one is false, so result is false. What is the final answer? Final answer, all the outputs are what? False. So if you see the truth value, all the truth values in the last column is false. Therefore, conclusion is simple. From the truth table, given compound proposition. What is the given compound proposition? P and not Q and Q, not P or Q, is contradiction. What we call it as contradiction. What is meant by contradiction? A compound proposition is said to be contradiction. A compound proposition is said to be contradiction if it is always false for all the combination of truth value of its components. All the components truth value, if you combine, you should always get false. Then this compound proposition is said to be what? Contradiction. What is contradiction? A compound proposition is said to be contradiction if it is always false for all the combination of truth value of its components. So now we proved it is contradiction. First one, it was tautology. This is contradiction. Then we'll go ahead with the next problem. Now we go ahead with next question. So in next question, they're asking you to prove logically equivalent. What they're asking you to prove? Logically equivalent and the prove madadಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. They're asking you to prove logically equivalent. They gave two compound proposition. The first compound proposition is negation of P by implies Q. This is the first compound proposition they mentioned. And second compound proposition is they gave P and not Q or Q and not P. P and not Q or Q and not P. These two compound propositions they gave. This is the first compound proposition, this is the second compound proposition. They are asking you to prove these two are logically equivalent. What is meant by logically equivalent? Two compound propositions are said to be logically equivalent if they have same set of truth values. They should have same set of truth values for the combination of truth value of components. So for this and for this, if you see, truth values should be same when you combine the components truth values. Now all of you know this symbol. What is this symbol? Negation. Negation means if the question is true, answer will be false. And what is this? This is biconditional. What is the logic of biconditional? Biconditional logic is simple. If both are same, result is true. True gives you result true. False also gives you result true. See, by implies logic ಏನು ಎರಡು ಟ್ರೂ ಇದ್ರೂ ಟ್ರೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಎರಡು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಟ್ರೂನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬೈಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೈಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್. ಫಾರ್ ಬೈಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬೈಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್? ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬೈಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್, ಇಫ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ. ಇಫ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್, ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೂ ಇದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್, ದೆನ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. If both are same, result is true. Negation means if question is true, negation of true becomes false, and if question is false, negation of false becomes true. You know this. Biconditional means what? If both are same, result is true. And then AND operation. AND means what? If any one statement is false, then result is false. And OR statement. What is the logic of OR? So yesterday we discussed what is the logic of OR. OR means what? If any one statement is true, result will become what? True. That's it. Then these are the basics required. Now I need to prove what? Logically equivalent. To prove logically equivalent, we have to construct truth table. What we need to construct? Truth table. All of you know how to construct truth table. So we'll go ahead by constructing this truth table for these two. Please understand, we can construct a single truth table for both, or we can separately construct truth table and compare the tables. So let us do by constructing single truth table. You can see the components. P is there, Q is there, negation Q is there, negation P is there. So first I will take P, then I will take Q, then I will take negation P, then I will take negation Q, then I will take components. One is P, by implies Q, and we have other component P and not Q, P and not Q, then we have Q and not P. See, P and not Q, this I will call it as A, and this compound proposition I call this as B. And then see, here we have first compound proposition. First compound proposition is negation of P by implies Q. So negation of P by implies Q. Then the second compound proposition is this or this. So what I call this as, so now I'll do A or B, A or B. So now we got a big truth table. I split the components. So what are the components? One we have P, the other one we have Q, then we have negation P, then we have negation Q, then we have P by implies Q, and P and not Q I am calling it as A, Q and not P I am calling it as B, then by implies. So as usual, all of you know how to construct a truth table. So now we'll go ahead to construct the truth table. So let us construct the truth table. Here you can see the possible combinations. All of you know what are the possible combinations. So always P and Q are what? Propositions. Propositions means what? They should be either true or false. What are the possible combinations? Yav combinations na ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. So we can take both true. ಎರಡನ್ನು true ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು, ಹೌದಾ? So true, true. Or I can take any one false. I will take first one true and second one false. And what is the third possibility? First one may be false and second one may be true, or both may be false. These are the four possibilities. Then now we'll write the truth value for the compound propositions. Observe negation P. Negation P means what? Not P. So if P is true, negation P is false. Negation P is false again. If P is false, negation P becomes true. If P is false, negation P means true. Negation means what? Opposite. So if P is true, negation P becomes false. If P is false, negation P becomes true. So we have filled this. Now negation Q. So see the column Q, right opposite to it. So if Q is true, negation Q is false. If Q false, then what happens to negation Q? It will become true. If this is true, then this will be false, and if this is false, then this will be true. Then P by implies Q. I told you what is the logic of biconditional. If both are same, result is true. Eradu same idre matra result true agutte, hauda? So now true, true, result is true. True, false. Observe this. P and Q are the same? No, they are different. If they are different, answer is false. Similarly, false, true. So one statement false is there, one statement true is there. So they are opposite. They are not same. So result is false. And false, false. Are they same? Observe this carefully. Illi eradu same idya. So false false ಇದೆ, ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ result has to become what? True. So false false gives you true. So now biconditional we wrote. So if both are same, result will become true. So false false, both are same, so result is true. If both are different, result is false. Then P and not Q. See, here we have P, here we have P, and here we have not Q. So for these two, P and not Q, for these two I will apply AND operation. P and not Q. What is the logic of AND? Logic of AND ಏನು? So AND logic is, if any one statement is false, result is false. AND is similar to the results. Results ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು one subject fail ಆದರೆ, that year you have failed. So same logic will apply here. If any one statement is false, then result is false. So nodi, P and not Q. Here we have P, here we have false. So P and not Q. One statement is false, so result is false. So result will become what? False. And P and not Q. So see the column P, see the column not Q. So true and true is true. And then false and false is false. And again false and true is false. Then Q and not P. Q and not P. We have to do Q and not P. So for this Q and P, we should apply AND operation. So for this and this, if you apply AND operation, what is the logic of AND? If any one statement is false, result is false. So true and false makes result what? False. So true and false, result is false. Again false and false, result is false. True and true, result is true. And false and true, result is false. Then negation of P by implies Q. Illenide nodi, negation of P by implies Q. Negation of P by implies Q means what? Observe P by implies Q and write opposite. Here we have P by implies Q. Negate it. Negation of true is what? False. Negation of false is what? True. Negation of false is true. Negation of true is false. Now I got results for the first compound proposition. What is the first compound proposition? Negation of P by implies Q. I got the compound proposition truth value FTTF. Now we will do ARB. A means this. P and not Q I am symbolizing it as A, and Q and not P I am symbolizing it as B. So I will perform ARB. For these two we will do OR operation. What is the logic of OR? If any one statement is true, result is true. So in these two both are false, so result is false. In these two one statement is true. Idರಲ್ಲಿ one statement true ಇದೆ. What is the logic of OR? ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು true ಆದರೆ, if any one is true, result is true. Now again out of false true, so one is true, so again true, because we are doing OR operation. So now false or false, again result is false. If both are false, result is false. Now observe the truth table. ಈಗ ಗಮನ ಇಟ್ಟು truth table ನ ನೋಡಿ. So first compound proposition, see, now there is a big compound proposition P and not Q. I called this as A. In between we have symbol R. Here I wrote R. And second compound proposition Q and not P. I am calling it as Q and not P. I am calling it as what? B. So this whole thing I am compressing it as ARB. So now see the column ARB. See, if you observe the last two columns, they are identical. Aderedu same ide nodi. Illi false, true, true, false we have. Here also we have false, true, true, false. So both are giving same set of truth values. Both are giving same truth values for the set of possible combinations. So therefore this statement and this statement, these two are logically equivalent. So finally we need to conclude. So now I'll write the conclusion. What is the conclusion? From the truth table, whatever we got, truth table, two statements. One is negation of P by implies Q, and the other one is the second compound proposition P and not Q or Q and not P. Both are logically equivalent. Both are what? Logically equivalent. So don't forget to conclude. After you construct the truth table, the process does not end. After you construct the truth table, observe the truth table. From the truth table we can conclude this. So because the two compound propositions, you are getting same set of truth values. So observe, so here we are getting same set of truth values. So here we have FTTF, here also we have FTTF. So both are having what? Same set of truth values. If two compound propositions are having same truth values for the combination of their components, then we say both are logically equivalent. Therefore this compound proposition, negation of P by implies Q, is logically equivalent to A or B. A means what? P and not Q, or Q and not B. I hope all of you understood how to prove logically equivalent. Now we'll go to the next question. They are asking you to prove this is tautology. See, in first case we tried and we verified whether it's tautology or contradiction or neither. But now they are telling you to prove tautology, and here clearly you see there are three statements P, there are three components P, Q, and there is one more proposition called R. P, Q, R, three values they give, and they are asking you to prove tautology. And here what are the operations present? Implies. What is the logic of implies? The logic of implies all of you know. So first statement true, second statement false, then result is false. For implies or for conditional, if in first statement true, second statement false, result is false. Rest all other combinations it is true. That's what I taught you in the last class. Now, and only we have implies, and then we have an operation called AND. This is AND. AND. What is the logic of AND? AND logic is simple. If any one statement is false, result is false. AND logic nimige gottu. AND logic ಏನು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು one statement false ಇದ್ರೆ result false ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So you should know the logic of conditional, you should know this, and then we'll construct. But the speciality of this problem is we don't have two compound propositions. We don't have two propositions. In spite we have three propositions P, Q and R. So for three we have to take the possible combinations. All of you know permutation combination. Any proposition can have two truth values, either true or false. So if I have two propositions, number of inputs is 2 square. 2 square is 4. Now I have three inputs. I have three propositions P, Q, R. How many inputs are possible? 2 power 3. 2 power 3, 8 possible combinations. True, 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 false. Like that 8 possible combinations we should make. So now they are asking you to prove tautology, and P implies Q and Q implies R implies P implies R. So we'll see whether it is tautology or not by constructing the truth table. So now to construct the truth table, I'll split it into 8 possible combinations. So first we'll take P, then we take Q, then you can see R is present, we'll take R, then P implies Q, then Q implies R, then combination of these two, that is P implies Q and Q implies R. So you can also cut short this, you can call this as A, this whole thing is A, then A implies P implies R. A implies P implies R. So means you need P implies R also. Like that you can split the components. So it's a one way of splitting. Other way of splitting these components is, so make them as short terms. So what I'll do, so let us assume, let P implies Q, I call it as A, and Q implies R, I call it as B. Then I want P implies R. P implies R, I call it as C. In spite of PQR, I took it as ABC. Now, first we want P, the statement, then we need Q, then P implies Q. P implies Q is also called as what? A. Then Q implies R we need, if you see, this is also called as B. Then I need this whole thing. This whole thing, can I call it as A and B? Because I am calling this statement as A and calling this statement as B, so A and B. Then we have A and B implies A and B, this whole thing implies C. So we need C also. Q implies R, P implies R also will take. So we will take P implies R also. P implies R, call it as C, this one. So now A and B implies C. A and B implies C. So now I need to construct truth table for this. I told you we need 8 possible combinations. So we'll construct all the truth values. We'll write all the truth values and we'll construct the truth table. What are the possible combinations? So all 3 may be true. or first two may be true and last one may be false, or second one may be false, or first one may be false, or any two may be false. True, false, 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 true, or false, true, false, false, true, false, or all three may be false. These are the possible combinations. These are the possible combinations. Now, so these are the possible combinations for which we need to construct the truth table. All of you should understand how to write the values. 8 different inputs should be there. I wrote all 8 inputs. What I have done, I have permutated. First I will take one false, then I will take two falses, like that we have done, and now we need to construct this truth table. So observe this carefully. Here in first row all three are true. In second, one false togondini. I took one false. I will change its place. So last one is false, then second one is false, third one is false. Only one false I permutated. Then I will take two false statements. So last two are false, or first two are false, or first and second are false, or all three. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 different inputs are possible. P, Q, R. Then this is P implies Q. We call this as A. Now for P and Q, P implies Q. All of you know logic of implies. Conditional. Conditional means what? If any one statement, sorry, if first one is true, second one is false, result is false. Rest all it is true. So P and Q, you see true, true. So result is true. True, true. Result is true. And here true, true. Result is true. True, false. First one true, second one false. Result will be false. False, true is also true. True, false, again false. Again false, false is false. And false, true is also true. And false, false is also true. In implies, first one true, second one false, idre matra false agutte, innella true ne agutte. Here false, false also becomes what? True. False, false is also what? True. Now Q implies R. So we need to see Q and R. Q and R, for these two I should apply implies. So first one true, second one false, idre matra false agutte, in mikkidella cases true agutte. So we'll see. So here first one is Q, second one is R. So observe Q and R column. True, true is true. True implies false. First one true, second one false, idre matra false agutte. Then false, true is also true. True, true is true. False, false is also true. False, true is also true. And true, false, see first one true, second one false, that's why I am writing false. Then false, false. False, false is also true. Then A and B. So I should operate AND operation. So for this I should operate AND. So A AND, for these two AND operation. What is the logic of AND? If any one statement is false, result is false. So both are true. Here both are true. So result is true. Here one statement is false, so result is false. Here one statement is false, so result is false. Here both are true, so result is true. Here one statement is false, so result is false. Here both are true, so result is true. Here one statement is false, so result is false. And here both are true, so result is true. I hope all of you got this. Now P implies R. So now I should apply R operation for P and R. See here you have P, here you have R. For P and R, for these two I should apply implies. Implies means what? First one is true, second one is false, result is false. Rest all other cases it is true. ಮೊದಲನೇದು ಟ್ರೂ ಇದ್ದು ಎರಡನೇದು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And we should observe column P and column R. So column P is here, column R is here. Observe true, true, result is true. Observe P and R, true, false. First one true, second one false, result is what? False. Then third one true, true is true. You should observe P and R column carefully. True, false and true. False implies true is also true. Then true implies false. See this and this. True implies false is false again. False implies false is also true. Sorry. False implies false. So what is false implies false? False implies false means what? Both are same. Both are same means result. See the logic is what? First one true, second one false. Idra matra implies false agutte. So true, false, false. False implies false is also true. Then false implies false again. This is also true. Now we should do A and B implies C. This is A and B. This is C. this is C. So A and B implies C. For these two, you should apply implies. So true, true is true. False, false is also true. False implies true is also true. Again, true implies true is also true. False implies false is true. True, true is true. Again, false true is also true. I told you first one true, second one false idre matra false agutte. Mikkiddella true agutte. True, true is also true. Observe the last column. In the last column, we got all the values as what? True. Therefore, the given compound proposition. So this compound proposition. Therefore, given compound proposition is what? So given compound proposition is what? Given compound proposition ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Tautology. What is meant by tautology? Tautology means what? A compound proposition is said to be tautology if it is true for all the combination of its truth values. It is always true. Output ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ true ಬರಬೇಕು. That's it. Here we used conditional. What is the logic of conditional? First one true, second one false, result is false. Rest all other cases it is true. Then we use the logic called AND. What is the operation AND? If any one statement is false, result is false. And we constructed a big truth table and we called the components as A, B, C. Then A and B implies C. We have done it. We got all the values true. Therefore, the given compound proposition is what? Tautology. But how many combinations we have? 3 propositions P, Q, R. So true, true, true. Then take any one false. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು one false ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅದನ್ನು permutate ಮಾಡಿ. So first I took last one false, then second one false, then third one. Any one out of 3 is false. Then I took two statements as false. So last 2 false, then first 2 false, then first and last false, then all 3 false. Then we have constructed the truth table and we got this. So this is the problem where 3 propositions we used. So by now I have completed all the types of problems required for your exams. So similarly, verify whether it's tautology, contradiction, they're asking you. So same method, construct the truth table. For this, AND operation, OR operation implies operation. What is the logic of AND? If any one statement is true, if any one statement is false, result is false. What is the logic of OR? If any one statement is true, result is true. What is the logic of biconditional? Biconditional andre ಏನು? ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ by. By means what? Both should be same. If both are same, result is true. False by implies false is also true. True by implies true is also true. But if both are different, result will become false. So now we construct the truth table for this, and when you construct the truth table for this, if you get all true, then it is tautology. If you get all false, then it is contradiction. If you get a combination, it is neither. So we'll check this. So here we have P, then we have Q, then we have P and Q, then we have P R Q, and I call this as A, I call this as B. Then they want A R B, then I call this as C, then they want C by implies Q. So now we'll construct, means I'm naming this as A, I'm naming this as B, so it will become ARB. Then I'm naming this as ARB, put together I call it as C. So C by implies Q. So given question, I made it as C by implies Q. So we'll see what are the possible combinations. All of you know the possible combinations. So we have only 2 propositions P, Q. So we'll have 4 inputs. What are the 4 inputs? True, 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 false, false, true, and false, false. We'll conclude all. Now what are the possibilities? Both are true, or first one true, second one false, or first one false, second one true, or both may be what? False. This is the possibilities. Now AND, what is the logic for AND? If any one statement is true, result, any one statement is false, result is false. Both are true, so result is true. One is false, so false. One is false, so false. Both are false, so false. And what is the logic of R? If any one statement is true, result is true. See PQ, PRQ, true or true is true, true or false is true, false or true is also true, false or false becomes false. Then A, R, B. So we should apply R operation for these two. R means what again? If any one statement is true, result is true. Out of these two, one is true, so result is true. Out of these two, one is true, so result is true. Out of these two, one is true, result is true. Both are false, so result is false. For these two, apply what? By implies. So how to apply by implies? By implies means what? If both are same, result is true. So you can say true, true, so result is true. Here true, false, so result is false because both are different. Here true, true, result is true. Here false, false, so result is true. So we did not get all true. We have one true, one false, and remaining two truths, means it's a combination of true and false. It's not completely true, it's not completely false. So this is neither, it is not tautology, it is not contradiction, it is neither tautology nor contradiction. Answer is what? Neither. Now we are concluding the chapter called mathematical logic with this question. So all the types of questions are covered here, and what I expect from you people is simple: open NCERT book and open the chapter mathematical logic and solve all the exercise questions, and you can ask me any doubts. I am always open for your doubts, and what I expect from you is simple: all the truth tables and definitions. If you are thorough, the whole chapter becomes easy. Start solving the exercise, and I'll see you in my next session. Thank you for attending the class. Thank you.